I would want to raise a matter of significant importance, particularly what has happened today. What the opposition Malawi Congress Party has done by walking out of Parliament should not be entertained. I think Malawians must know that they have sent us here to represent them. And when we come here and before you, we attend to serious business. And we elected you to provide that leadership so that both sides of the aisle can debate and this House can be peaceful. Malawi Congress Party members or the opposition walked out because about 4 of their members were found to have done an act of indiscipline. It's a grave misconduct. They approached the table and they wanted to slap some of the table members there and in your presence. And that should not be condoned, and indeed we did it right by actually sanctioning them that those 4 members, 5 members should go out. And for a responsible opposition, Right Honorable Speaker, shouldn't have walked out. What kind of message are we giving out to the nation? That the opposition should be supporting indiscipline? Indiscipline for what? And it is not a surprise that indeed during their reign, it is all marked with indiscipline. It is all marked with thuggery. It is all marked with theft. It is all marked with corruption. And I think this must be condemned. The government of His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika would want them to be part of the solution to save this country, but not to be walking out. So the public should know that they have walked out because few members wanted to beat the table clerks in your presence, to manhandle your table clerks, and that should be condemned. I wanted this to be clear. Blackouts is an act of nature. No one can be said to cause it, and nobody caused it. But to come out and begin to do what they did today is not right. We are paid to be here. We are spending a lot of resources to be here. Malawians must indeed be worried about the conduct of Malawi Congress Party. But we are responsible government side, and I would also want to thank the UTM leadership, the Afford leadership, the PP leadership, the UDF leadership, and the independents. What you have done today is to demonstrate seriousness and maturity. And Honorable Gwengwe, thank you very much, Honorable, for what you have shown to Malawians. This is what we should be doing for our nation. Let us not allow partisan politics